Smile Sunday, dear friends. The whole city has been coughing, including me. Somebody has got a dry cough. Somebody has got wet cough. Let's take help of homeopathy. In homeopathy, there are wonderful medicines like antimony tart, calibicromate, rumex, um, ipecac. They can be given. Suppose a person has got dry cough, then calibicromate can be given when the patient has to cough out the phlegm. Suppose a child is vomiting while coughing, we can give ipecac. Suppose there's a lot of phlegm inside, antimony tart can be given. So, dear friends, try these medicines and I'm sure you'll be healthy and the weather will not affect you. Thank you.